Dear students and viewers, I welcome you with another exam style question on the subject of financial accounting. This question will test your knowledge and make you learn the concept of prime cost. Zenith School of Accountancy is committed to providing free learning to students from all walks of life. To watch other exam style videos, please explore my channel's playlist. Please also subscribe to my channel to stay informed about new videos. Today's question is: the prime cost of goods manufactured is the total of option A, direct materials, direct labor, and direct expenses. Option B, all factory costs of goods completed. Option C, all factory costs before adjusting for work in progress. Option D, all materials and labor cost. This question tests your knowledge about different types of manufacturing costs. Manufacturing costs may be classified in a variety of manners, such as direct cost or indirect cost, labor cost, materials cost, overheads, prime cost, etc. etc. To correctly answer this question, it is important to understand various types of costs associated with the manufacturing process. Let's begin with the concept of materials cost. We know that materials are an important component of a finished good, whether it is a car or a laptop or a television. Accountants classify all materials cost into two broad categories as direct materials and indirect materials. Direct materials include those parts of material that can be easily identified with the unit of production. For example, in the case of a wooden chair, the cost of wood used in the production process will be classified as direct materials cost because it can be measured and quantified that how much wood will be used to manufacture one piece of chair. Indirect materials, on the other hand, are materials that are used in the production process but that are not directly traceable to the product. Examples may include glue, nails, cleaning supplies, etc., used in the production of a wooden chair because it is difficult to quantify small items of materials with accuracy for a unit of production. An efficient worker may use nails and glue more efficiently to make a chair, while the other worker may use more of these indirect materials. So we cannot say precisely how many nails or drops of glue may be required for each chair. Indirect materials are usually classified as part of the production overhead. Now we look at the concept of labor cost. Labor cost is a major component of the cost of manufacturing in many industries. This labor cost may again be direct labor cost or indirect labor cost. Direct labor cost is a part of wage bill or payroll that can be specifically and consistently assigned to or associated with the manufacture of a product, particular work order, or provision of a service. For example, the payroll cost of manufacturing one unit of car may be calculated by multiplying the wage rate with the number of hours spent in the production of one unit of car. Indirect labor cost refers to wages paid to employees who perform duties that aid or help others in producing goods and performing services. It is the cost of labor that is not directly linked to production. Examples may include wages paid to the supervisor or the quality control department employees. Again, indirect labor may also be called production overheads, or they are part of the production overheads. Okay, let's examine factory overheads. Factory overhead, also called manufacturing overhead or work overhead or factory burden in American English, is the total cost involved in operating all production facilities of a manufacturing business that cannot be traced directly to a product. It generally applies to indirect labor and indirect materials, as I explained earlier, and other indirect production costs such as electricity or gas used in a factory, other utilities such as water and trash service, unforeseen repairs, or maintenance. Now, finally, we'll look at the concept of a prime cost of production. A prime cost is the total direct cost of production, including raw materials and labor. Indirect costs such as utilities, manager salaries, and delivery costs are not included in prime cost. The prime cost equation is equal to the cost of raw materials plus direct labor plus direct expenses such as royalty on production. Based on the explanation provided, the correct answer is option A, that is, direct materials, direct labor, and direct expenses are called the prime cost of production. If you have enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for notifications and also share and like this video. Thank you for watching.